For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix earphones not working on laptop Windows 10 or 11. To do that, first, go to search bar and search Services. Click on this icon, then find Performance Logs and Alerts. Right-click on that, then select Properties. Click the startup type, then select Automatic, and click Apply, then press OK. After that, you need to start the service by clicking Start button and wait for the process to finish. Now, search for Settings. Open the Settings, then go to System. Scroll down until you find About, then open it. Open the Advanced System Settings, then go to Hardware tab. Click the Device Installation Settings, then select No. Your device might not work as expected. Then hit Save Changes. Now go back again to the search bar, then type in Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Click on the High Definition Audio device and then select Properties. Go to Driver tab, then click Update Drivers. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait for the progress to finish. And that's it. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.